Today's topic is what's the need for pollution control? We already learned different types of pollution and what are the cause of pollution, isn't it? So what is the importance for pollution control or what's the need for pollution control? Pollution prevention or control is needed to preserve precious environmental resources and to improve the environmental quality so that the preserved resources can be utilized for the benefit of mankind and to the improvement of health and well-being of the people. The amount of damage to a particular medium, let it be air, water, land, varies according to the type of pollutant. The amount of pollutant disposed of and the distance from the source of pollution. All pollutants alter the quality of environment and render it to some degree unfit to preserve normal life. People are now raising their voice loudly against pollution generating activities. Business enterprises cannot remain unaffected by environmental destruction. They need to take suitable measures for pollution control, not merely to avoid criticisms against them, but also to enjoy other benefits of such measures. So, some of the important reasons which make a case for pollution control by the business firms. The first point is that reduction of health hazards. There is increasing evidence that many diseases like cancer, heart attacks, and lung complications are caused by pollutants in the environment. Pollution control measures can not only check the seriousness of such diseases but also be supportive of a healthy life on earth. Secondly, reduced risk of liability. It's possible that an enterprise is held liable to pay compensation to people affected by the toxicity of gaseous, liquid, and solid waste it has released into the environment. Therefore, it is sound business policy to install pollution control devices. Install pollution control devices in its premises to reduce the risk of liabilities. Thirdly, cost savings. An effective pollution control program is needed to save costs of operating business. Cost savings are particularly noticeable when improper production technology results in greater waste, which leads to higher cost of waste disposal and cost of cleaning the plants. Fourthly, improved public image. As society becomes increasingly conscious of environmental quality, a firm's policies and practices for controlling waste will increasingly influence people's attitude towards its working. A firm that promotes the cause for environment will be able to enjoy a good reputation and will be perceived as a socially responsible enterprise. And there are other social benefits. Pollution control results in many other benefits like clearer visibility, cleaner buildings, better quality of life, and the availability of natural products in a purer form, and so on. So, there is a high importance for the pollution control devices by the firms also. In this context, what's the role of business? Role of business in environmental protection. Since the quality of the environment is important for all of us, we have a collective responsibility. It's a good value word, collective responsibility to protect it from being spoiled. Whether it's a government, business enterprises, consumers, workers, or other members of society, each one can do something to stop polluting the environment. Everyone and each one can do something to stop polluting the environment. Government can enact laws to ban hazardous products. Consumers, workers, and member society can avoid using certain products and doing things that are not environment friendly. So try to use environment friendly items only by the consumers, workers, etc. So the business enterprises should take the lead in providing their own solutions to environmental problems. It's a social responsibility of every business to take steps not only to check all sorts of pollution but also to protect environmental resources. Business enterprises are leading creators of wealth, employment, trade, and technology. They also command huge financial, physical, and human resources. They have the know-how to solve environmental pollution problems with a preventive approach by controlling pollutants at the source. In most cases, a modification or change in the process of production, redesign of equipments, substituting poor quality materials with better ones, or other innovative approaches could greatly reduce or even eliminate pollution entirely. So, what are the specific steps which can be taken by business enterprises for environmental protection? The first one is that a definite commitment by whom? By top management of the enterprise to create, maintain, and develop work culture for environmental protection and pollution prevention. Secondly, ensuring that commitment to environmental protection is shared throughout the enterprise by all divisions and employees. Thirdly, developing clear-cut policies and programs for purchasing good quality raw materials, employing superior technology, using scientific techniques for disposal and treatment of waste, and developing employee skills for the purpose of pollution control. Fourthly, go in accordance with the laws and regulations enacted by the government for the prevention of pollution. Fifthly, participation in government programs relating to management of hazardous substances, clearing up of polluted rivers, plantation of trees, and checking deforestation. Sixthly, periodical assessment of pollution control programs in terms of costs and benefits so as to increase the progress with respect to environmental protection. Seventhly, arranging educational workshops and training materials to share technical information and experience with the suppliers, dealers, and customers to get them actively involved in pollution control programs. So from these points, we understood the important role of business in environmental protection, and the role of each and everyone is emphasized over here. So we have to take care of the business as well as our environmental protection. So what is the assignment today? Why the need for pollution control? What is the why? The need for pollution control and its importance. And we can see the another question, the role of business in pollution control and preventive programs. Role of business in the environmental protection and pollution control. What are the steps to be taken? Okay, write the answers based on these value points and learn it. Okay, thank you.